Okay, here's my situation. Right now, I've plugged the set in. I have the radio knob turned off. As you can see, the lights on the dial on the radio are on. I have the TV turned off. The TV is on. Now if I turn on the TV, that gives me TV volume. And the radio lights have gone out. TV turns off. The TV picture doesn't go off. The TV sound goes out. But the radio lights come on. Now if I leave the TV knob on, turn the radio knob on at the same time, I get no change. However, with the radio knob on, if I turn the TV off, that brings the radio to life and brings in the radio volume. Turn the radio knob off. With the TV knob off, the TV pick will come back up. The only way I get TV volume is to have this on and turn up the volume. So something's cross-wired with the power between these two items. Somebody maybe hooked up something in the power wrong so they could run the TV without the radio, and they screwed it up. I haven't been able to figure it out yet, but those are my symptoms. Maybe you guys have an idea. Thanks.